What is going on, guys? It is Cameron with Lebanon Ford Performance, and we are here at Michigan International Speedway for a very special unveiling of a very special vehicle. I'm seeing this early, so by the time you see this, it will be released to the public. This is a very special Bronco that's coming from in-house at Ford Racing. So this is very exciting. So I now present you the Bronco, part of the all-new Horizon package from Ford Racing in the Ford Custom Garage. All right, guys, here we have a never-before-seen vehicle from Ford Racing. This is part of their Ford Custom Garage package. This is the Desert Rising package. So, I mean, it is, you can read all that. It's extremely limited, very custom, as you can see, just all the way around. Just pink accents. There's like a nice light pink on the grille surround, a deeper hot pink on the Bronco words, white sights for the attachment handles, custom white method racing wheels with the nice touch of the center cap that has white and pink accents on that. This is based on a Sasquatch package, so it's got the full suspension sitting on 35s. It's the ultimate all-terrain vehicle. You have a very exclusive, only for the Desert Rising package side graphic. This specific package, there's going to be a different one every year. This specific one is pink for the desert sands in the desert that change colors with the lighting. And you can see the interior is just as special as the outside. Full hot pink leather. It's unbelievable. You got white and silver accents. Look at how sweet with Bronco embossed in the backs of the seat. Pink all over the place. These are only on four-door paint matched hardtop Sasquatch packages. So this is the exact package that you would want to get. I mean, it is all in the Bronco package. Like I said, brand new. As you're seeing this, it was just released right now. So this is available from Ford Customization, and we are here with a huge media day for the release. Like I said, it's incredible. I mean, the classic white with pink, and the Bronco just wears it so well. But yeah, the Desert Rising package, like I said, this is the first one of this series. There's going to be multiple coming out, one every year. This is this year's coming here, and I believe for the 2027 model year. It's the ultimate one, and this is the first one, so it is very special to see this one. All the pink accents, all the different shades of pink. You just look at the details from the light pink on the grille to the fender graphic, all the way for a perfect contrast all the way down with darker pinks as it goes, and it's the detail orientation is amazing. So yeah, new vehicle should be hitting the roads here soon. I just love the front end. I mean, just with the way that all the pinks mesh and how it's just light up front, and then it perfectly contrasts to the rear, and then it also just has a vibrant hot pink in the dead center with the modular bumper. I mean, it's super aggressive. This package will cost $13,695 on top of the Bronco package. So you have a full all-in, one of very few custom Bronco for a great price. And the graphic on the side, if that's not your jam, it is optional. So you can either get it or you cannot, but it really adds to the specialty of this thing. So it's a really cool package. This will be coming out later this year. And you can get it in, I believe it's going to be late 26 model year, definitely into 2027. So it's very exciting, and we're excited to start seeing these in different colors as well. The white wears it perfectly, but I'm very curious to see how Ruby Red would wear it, or black, silver. Black especially, because the pink is going to accent off black like crazy. So I would love to see a black one. Here it is in the different light. Yeah, this package is all in. Like I said, it is one of 1,000, so it is going to be very limited. You can see the details on the side graphic right there. This is available in a couple different colors, including white, ruby red, black, and a few others. And its package is going to wear it very well. It's very unique. Looks a lot like stuff that we've done in-house here at Lebanon Ford Performance, but it is now all in by Ford. So this is the first vehicle in the Horizon series. And yeah, the Desert Rising is a very cool one. I'm very excited to see what they come up with next, of kind of how details and what they base the different graphics on. And I just love the wheels. I mean, I'm a big white wheel guy in the first place, and then just to have that little touch, that detail in the center cap with the pink and the white, it's very good. And yeah, like I said, a little bit more in depth on the interior. You get full custom leather seats, very high quality. Bronco embossed in the rear, silver accents. Everything just meshes very well. You know, obviously the blue oval hang tag, and yeah, like I said, These are only based on paint, roof paint matched cars. So it is going to look very, very good, completely done. And with the roof on and everything, they have the roof off for demonstration. But with the roof on, it's going to look unbelievable. So this is the first vehicle we're seeing this morning. Expect a lot more content out of us. I'm sure you're seeing this all over your feed right now. But here first at Lebanon Ford Performance.